Question number 14 of exercise 6.5. The question says the perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D. So we have a triangle ABC and the perpendicular from A on this side BC, this perpendicular, this intersect BC at point D such that dB equals to 3 times CD. So this dB is equals to 3 times of CD. We have to prove that twice AB square equals to twice AC square plus BC square, or you can say 2 times AB square equals to 2 times AC square plus BC square. This we want to prove, and we have already given that this dB equals to 3 times of CD. Now proof. Since we want AB square, so just start with triangle ADB. So I am taking triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, I can apply Pythagoras theorem because this is a right angled triangle. So in triangle ADB, we have AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem. So this we have by Pythagoras theorem. Now I don't want this AD square because that is not given in the statement which we want to prove. So I want to replace this AD square. So just replace this AD square by using this triangle ADC. So this is the first equation which I am taking. Now I am using triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, I have AC square equals to AD square plus CD square, again by Pythagoras theorem. So I am going to find out the value of AD square. So AC square minus CD square equals to AD square. Now I am going to substitute this value in equation 1. So from 1 and 2 we get AB square equals to, I am just replacing the value of AD square by AC square minus CD square. So this is equals to AC square minus CD square plus BD square. Now AB square equals to AC square, these sides is already there in the statement, so I don't want to replace it. I want to replace this CD and BD. So substitute the value of BD. So BD is already given equals to 3 times of CD. So substitute this value 3 times of CD. Why? Because BD equals to 3 times of CD. Now AB square equals to AC square minus CD square plus 9 CD square. So we get AB square equals to AC square plus 8 CD square. This is the third statement which we get. Now in the proof we want AB square, AC square and BC square, and till now we get AB square, AC square and CD square. So now I want to replace this CD. So I am going to find out the value of CD. We know that BC equals to CD plus BD. So write BC equals to CD plus BD, and we have already given that BD equals to 3 times of CD. So BC equals to 4 times of CD, or you can say CD equals to 1 by 4 times of BC. This relation I'm going to use here. So substitute this value in equation 3. So I'm going to substitute this value. So we get AB square equals to AC square plus 8 into 1 by 4 BC whole square. So this will become AB square equals to AC square plus 8 into 1 by 16 BC square. So 8 1 8 2 16, so this will cancel out, and now I'm going to take the LCM. So we get 2AB square equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Hence proved. This is the statement which we want to prove, that 2AB square equals to 2AC square plus BC square.